will celebrate the day in Delhi.
Diplomats and American Marines doing yoga at the American Embassy in New Delhi. The embassy has been organizing yoga events, and this year too, the mission will host International Yoga Day. Delhi's diplomatic community will celebrate the main event at Nehru Park in Chanakyapuri. EU Ambassador to India has called yoga expression of India's soft power.
Something which India has provided to the human civilization. And now promoting Yoga Day internationally, it was accepted by the United Nations, and this is something which we can call as an important element of so-called soft power.
So do you do yoga?
I have tried, and I'm going to continue.
The Afghan ambassador has said that yoga helped in easing his back problem.
In terms of my own case, my slip disc issue that I have been facing for some time, and I have been always consulting doctors. And at some point I was told that yoga could also be a useful tool if you want to use it for some time, and I did. It really helped me. It is controlling my health issue.
Nearby at the Israeli embassy, preparations have already begun with gusto. Indian missions across the globe will be marking the event, while in Delhi many foreign missions are leaving no stone unturned to celebrate the same with equal enthusiasm.
It's a very, very popular way of you can see in any place around Israel, people exercising, people mastering the art of yoga. It's a worldwide phenomenon, and it definitely gives a lot of peace of mind on the one hand and a real control over your body on the other. So I think it's a wonderful thing.
Diplomats and UN officials will attend the Yoga Day celebrations organized by India's permanent mission to the UN on June the 20th and 21st.
Yoga comes from Sanskrit root word yuj, which means to unite. And here at Delhi's Chanakyapuri, where diplomatic community resides, a lot of yoga events will take place. Events which will unite the world into one common family. With camera person Anil, Siddhant Subal, DD News, New Delhi.
The United States President Barack Obama met Tibetan spiritual leader